This is a 5-section overhead roll and fold boom. It has 5-inch pipeline. That is S3000 pipeline on the boom and the deck. And we have a boom dampening system that allows, pretty much eliminates boom bounce even when you're pumping flat out. You can see our SCC in-cab controller. That is the 3-inch display that allows the operator to switch between pumping and driving modes. It will display your PTO hours. You can turn on your outrigger work lights, and you can also raise and lower your pusher axle from the screen. Next to that, we have our 7-inch screen for our 360 camera system. That is standard on the 65SX, and that will give you a 360 view of the truck, show you your blind spots, also give you locations for your outriggers, and a reverse camera. 65 has the SX outriggers with a twist. So we have the fold-out design. That is where the F comes from. Outrigger controls are located right here on the driver's side of the machine. On the back of the machine, we have our work light socket along with an e-stop. And the 65SXF also has the accumulator bypass as standard. So in case of an accumulator pump failure, you can turn that quarter turn valve and you will now take your hydraulic oil from your agitator circuit. Pump kit, standard, it outputs 213 cubic yards an hour. So we lock up the rear steps. We get a nice view of that 2525-6 pump kit. And if you look in front of the water box, we have our cold weather drain. So you can shut that off or close that, and that will prevent freezing in the water box drain line. Passenger side rear of the machine, we have the operator control panel, featuring a 12-button keypad, concrete pump and agitator gauge. Here we have our water box fill valve, and we have our water supply valve, and there we have our water box drain. These are the controls for the smart rear steered axles. And we have 2 more subframe mounted toolboxes. The first toolbox contains the vector control panel, and the next toolbox contains our outrigger, our hydraulic valves. So with any Schwing machine, you can run them manually if you lose electrical power. Again, this is the 65SXF. If you want to learn more, just go to schwing.com.